March 7th, 2014. Heading to the Wadsworth Airport. Go for a winter flight. It is about, what, 25 degrees? 27? Something like that?
Pretty cold.
Pretty cold. Looks like we're the first ones. Should we let a pieball?
Yeah.
Okay. Here we go. There we go. Good morning.
Morning. A winter balloon flight. Envelope temperature is 60 degrees. Outside air temperature is what, 20? 25?
Feels like minus 25.
Nice sunrise over here.
Adios.
Nice landing spot. Perfect.
Friendly.
Huge field, and you picked the tightest area to put it. Nice job.